Sup, homies? Read it, read it, and wait. That's what you are, bitch. Move it, bitch. Fucking ass. That's right. Clean that ass. Hole. With a toothbrush from your Grammy's house. It's over 9,000 years old. Your Grammy. I wanna win a Grammy Award for my rapping, but they don't like me, they don't appreciate me, fuck you. Oh my god, bitch.
Okay, that was fun. Let's see if that works.
I'm sorry.